Crook Ramsey.
Yo, what's up? It's Mom. What is up with your do-rag? Trying to be like me, you need to fix that.
No, my shit fine. What's up? Get it back.
All right. Okay, so you guys, today it's Memorial Day weekend, Saturday, so we're gonna go to the beach. We're getting all of our food together. We got our sandwiches, we got our Capri Suns, and we getting our chips together. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna check in with y'all once we get to the beach, okay? We gotta drive like 45 minutes to an hour away. I'm big in mermaid. I'll take some pictures later. Y'all, Anthony's trying to take all our food to the beach.
Yeah, because we never eat it, so this is the perfect opportunity to have
Well, we got good snacks, okay? We got our sandwiches, our juices, our water, grapes. Okay, it's okay.
Come on, Angelo.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey.
Memorial Day weekend, you guys.
Yeah.
We're about to go to the beach.
It's hot. I'm trying to get in the water right now.
Anthony's gonna go swimming.
Come on, big boy.
You ready to go swimming?
We are at the beach. Where we at, babe?
We have, he flapping up sand every time.
Find us a good spot.
Yeah. You finna go swimming? She looking like a mermaid. What the fuck, y'all? They can't see the sparklies. Oh, there they go. You can see them now. Welcome to the beach, y'all. It's hot as fuck. It feel good though. I'm gonna say it's hot, but it feel good.
You got me. I need my pictures.
We finna have sex on the beach, y'all. That's how I feel. Hold up, let me put the camera up.
It is so. Yeah, man. See, Daddy? Say hi, Gigi. Say hi, Daddy.
What's up, y'all? I'm wet, real black Michael Phelps.
Say hi, G-Lo. G-Lo making sure he stays safe. Watch out for his hat, babe. Go, Gigi. Go, 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 Swim with Daddy. Show Daddy you can swim.
Get your Speedo on.
Make sure you hold him, Anthony. Hold him. I don't trust it all the way now.
You're looking at the fisherman.
Ooh.
You want to see a baby shark?
Oh, look at the boat moving, leaving. You see the fish just
See some.
her eyelash? I don't need it. She said she didn't need it. Hey, everybody. Say hi. Hello. We had to let them eyelashes go.
Right.
Hey, Angelo. Hey, Joy. Hey, Mike. Mike is swimming. He's about to drown. He's to my old shit. Look at Angelo like, what's going on? All right, you guys. Daddy came home free. Guys. Yeah. All right. All right. Get your daddy. Get your daddy.
What's that, man? Horseshoe crab, y'all check this out. That's cool. You see it, baby?
Oh, wow.
That tail is sharp, boy.
Huge. So does it come out at all?
Oh, don't touch it.
Oh, wow. I ain't know. Like... Oh!
It's not like a stingray. They won't hurt you.
I need a crab pot out here.
That's a turtle, bro.
She said when you walk down there swimming.
That's crazy. I'm gonna get me a crab pot so I get his footprint. Get yours, baby. Your footprint. Oh, you gotta scoot up soon. Foot marks.
That's so cute.
Follow the trail.
Right.
Y'all ready to eat it?
And I got me some Louisiana.
That thing wouldn't go and die in no crab pot. He need a electric chair. That thing is huge.
I put his
And he
ass in the
came out.
oven. Right. He was just trying to show off.
But how they knew they could grab him like that without getting hurt?
He trying to go in the water.
See, look. Yeah, see that?
They mating.
Uh-huh. It's mating season.
Oh, let me back up. Let me back up. Oh, look at the eyes. They eyes on the shell. That's pretty neat. You see their eyes right there?
Oh, yeah. That's why I look like a stingray.
Right. Go ahead.
Today we are here on Alligator Point. Live footage from
Live.
the horseshoe crab.
We're going to put him in a little bit of steam and see what happens. A little bit of Louisiana.
He trying to swim over here. He ain't slick. Let me watch out. Yeah, we
Eyes
see.
are on their head for protection, for predators. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go check him out. Oh, shoot.
They'll flip back over. You go flip back over.
And then they would come up here. That's another one.
Y'all, these crabs everywhere. They're called seahorse crabs. Oh no, horseshoe crabs.
Horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crab.
I said a stingray crab.
Right, the way he was holding it. Sandwiches.
You ready to eat, boy?
Gigi.
Ma'am.
Gigi, come on, you wanna eat? Do you wanna eat? She like, let me get under there.
Let them sit
Come
down.
sit down.
It's not raining. You can sit in your chair.
Sit down.
Sit in your chair.
Sit down.
Good boy. Good boy. Now you got your umbrella. Yeah. You got your juice. Ooh.
Okay. I guess it's sweet. I'm sure it's
Do
cold.
the money dance.
That's watermelon.
I don't know why you don't like it. Gigi,
Just be, it's gotta be sweet.
it is sweet, babe. This is a real good one. Here, man.
Alright. Come here. Here. Ah.
You want a sandwich? Sandwich? Look at Daddy. Daddy got your sandwich.
Do this on.
Bite it. Oh, wow.
I ain't doing too much talking. That is lunchtime.
Good. Yay! I've won, I've two. Hi.
He know his line.
Catch.
Run! Go, G-Lo, run! Yeah! Score! Yay! Where you going? Go get him. Come on, big boy, get up! He said no. Yeah. He talking about no. He over it. He over it. You done pushed him. It's over. He didn't know that was part of the game. G-Lo, did you have fun at the beach?
Yes, Mommy.
Say bye, water.
Buy water. Buy beef.
Chocolate. Bob it.